As we reach the end of this, I'd like to congratulate you for completing this training course. Also, I'd like to thank you for being a passionate learner and following along till the end. Remember, this is not the end. Your video editing journey has just started. So, try to advance your current skills and keep updating your knowledge by following other similar training programs as well as engaging in practical work and doing some projects. I am sure you can turn this into a profession, and have a great career, and make a living out of it. Before I say goodbye, I'd like to ask you to stay in touch, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, if you haven't already. If you love reading and want to receive articles, please visit our website, www.in4exchange.com, and subscribe to our newsletter as well. Also, please follow us on Facebook, and like our page there as well. Thank you once again, and wish you good luck.